Are you a woman who's overcoming sexual trauma? Welcome to a journey of healing and empowerment for women overcoming sexual trauma. And cultivating gratitude can be a powerful tool on the path to healing and recovery. Today we're going to explore 3 powerful collections of gratitude affirmations designed specifically for women who have experienced sexual trauma to help them find their strength, resilience, and inner peace. Repeat this affirmation after me. I am worthy of love, respect, and healing. Despite the pain and trauma you have experienced, remember that you are inherently valuable and deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Embrace your worthiness and recognize that you are not defined by your past experiences. Repeat this affirmation after me. I am strong, capable, and resilient. Despite the challenges you have faced, you have survived and persevered. You have shown incredible strength and resilience in the fact of adversity, and that strength continues to grow within you every single day. Trust your ability to overcome obstacles and emerge stronger on the other side. Repeat this affirmation after me. I am on a journey of healing and self-discovery. Healing is a process, and it is okay to take steps one day at a time. Allow yourself to feel and process your emotions and know that healing is possible. Trust in the power of time, self-care, and support from others to guide you towards healing and wholeness. To all the women overcoming sexual trauma, know that you are not alone. And by cultivating gratitude and embracing these affirmations, you can find strength, resilience, and inner peace on your journey towards healing. Remember, you are worthy and you are strong. You are capable of a life filled with love, joy, and abundance. Thanks for joining me on my channel. Please click the link in my bio for my new book coming called What Happens in This House Stays in This House. Please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please invite any other lady or young girl that you feel like this channel will be beneficial to. Thanks so much, and have a great day, beautiful.